Today we're going to make what is known as in Trinidad and Tobago as cuckoo. Some like it savory while others like it sweet. What is it known as in your country? Now to begin, we're going to need few ingredients. So to a hot skillet, I'm placing in my butter and allowing that butter to melt. Once it's melted, we're going to go in with our finely chopped onions. And then we're going to add in our garlic. You know, for me, garlic is a must. And not only a must, but we're adding it in liberally. Once that is inside there, we're going to go in with some finely chopped flavoring pepper. This pepper is not a hot pepper, it just gives flavor. And also we're going to add in some finely chopped okra or okros and some diced carrots. Now you can choose to dice the carrots like I chose to, or you can shred it. Now we're going to allow this to saute down, and of course to help it break down a little faster, we're going to place in a bit of salt. So we're going to allow this to break down until it's translucent and looking nice and slippery as it looked before adding in our fresh coconut juice. Now if you don't have the fresh coconut, that's okay, you can make it with the packed coconut. So we're going to allow that to thicken up a bit, and while that is thickening up, I'm using corn flour and I'm going to add some water. I'm not going to do it the traditional way of throwing it in the pot and mixing it. Instead, I'm going to make it easier. I'm going to mix it in some water into a runny paste, and now that our pot is bubbling, we're going to throw that runny cornmeal inside of there and we're going to mix it as we throw in. Now this is going to require a bit of strength and a bit of patience because you're going to be turning this pot regularly. This is not a pot that you want to turn your back on or to leave while you're doing to do something else. Now you can taste it at this time as I did, and I added some more salt and black pepper, but my camera did not want to show you that. Now you can choose to put in more stuff, like some people like shadow benny inside there, paprika, some people put a bit of cinnamon. If you want it sweet, you could put some sugar, but at this point I'm putting in some chives, or what you may call green onions. One of the signs that would show you that this pot is nearing home is this. It creates this breathing like motion or a bubble that happens when the cornmeal has thickened so much and is cooked that the heat pushes the entire batter up. So now it's time for us to place it in our container. I'm using a glass dish. Now you can choose to grease the glass dish if you wish, but that is not necessary because when this is cool, it's going to come out easily. One of the things I like to do, because I don't like the top of my cuckoo to be rough, is that I throw a bit of water on top of it and then pat it with a metal spoon, so it gives you this smooth finish. Now once it's cool, it takes about half an hour, probably a longer to cool, depending on the size of it. You can slice into it and you can eat. Normally this dish is eaten with fried fish or stew fish and callaloo, but in this case we're having it with just the stew fish, and that is quite fine. Another thing you can do while making this, you can add meat to it. You can do your own twist and make it personalized to you without any penalties. So I hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you. Bye.